Welcome to AOOA Racing Caliper Covers Factory. At AOOA, we are your trusted source for high-quality brake caliper covers. Our state-of-the-art facility is where these exceptional products are meticulously manufactured and stored. We specialize in die-cast aluminum alloy brake caliper covers, designed to enhance automotive aesthetics, provide vehicle protection, and seamlessly adapt to a wide range of car models. With a dedicated team of over 100 skilled professionals, we integrate design, research and development, production, and sales to offer our clients the most cutting-edge and cost-effective modification solutions available. Every AOOA caliper cover undergoes a meticulous manufacturing process, ensuring superior quality and durability. Our commitment to excellence has propelled us to become a world-renowned caliper cover merchant, with our products now sold across 7 continents. We are confident that our high-quality products and competitive prices make AOOA Racing Caliper Covers your premier choice for all your automotive modification needs.